Sure. So, good afternoon, John, and welcome to this interview.
Thanks very much, Connie.
So, what inspired the creation of Kalpro as a sub-brand of KalTire, and how did the idea evolve over time?
Kalpro has been created in the last 12 months as a sub-brand of KalTire. And we wanted the KalTire brand to be represented in these innovations that KalTire constantly works on and develops. So the development of the Kalpro brand as such was a mechanism for KalTire to group all the innovations that we have developed over the years into a brand that people will recognize as something that contributes towards safety and efficiency. These are innovations that are specific to KalTire, and obviously we use these extensively in our on-site services or services that we provide to our customers. But of course, they're not only exclusive for KalTire's use, they will in the near future be available to any mining company or service provider that would like to make use of the brand. So the essence of Kalpro was then to create a set of innovations, or make a set of innovations available to the worldwide market for anybody to use.
I see. That's interesting. So, how's been your experience at this year's Electra Mining Africa 2024, and what other products and services are you exhibiting at this year's event?
Well, 2024, I think, has been an exciting couple of days for us. The attendance at the show was overwhelming. It was really exciting to see the number of people that have attended this year compared to previous years. And I think it's also an indication of the optimism that's in the industry right now, and particularly in Africa. This is an African-focused event. So the participation of people, the participation of exhibitors is certainly very, very encouraging. On the stand this year, we've got a number of these innovations, particularly as we spoke a little bit earlier, branded as the Kalpro innovations. We have something called Wheel Jaws, which is a very exciting, recently launched innovation that significantly contributes to the elimination of risk on the mine site while technicians are working on these very large mining tires. We also have a system or an innovation that we've partnered with a company out of Australia, and an innovation we call Tire Sight, which we believe is going to again help eliminate risk on the mine site, but also contribute enormously to the efficiency of operations, where the Tire Sight system allows for automated tire inspections while the truck is still in operation. So it assists and contributes towards productivity in a quite a significant manner, where the truck doesn't have to be stopped as it has in the past for a technician to physically do tire inspections. Tire Sight now allows this process to be done in an automated fashion using AI technology without having to stop the truck. And then we have a couple of other systems called Ultra Repair, which is KalTire's mechanisms and ways of repairing very large injuries on tires. And then we have a program which is becoming quite becoming adopted worldwide, allowing customers to reduce their Scope 3 emissions, and that is called our Maple program. This has been around for a couple of years now, but is continuously evolving to allow customers to show their significant contributions to the reduction of Scope 3 emissions, as I said, which is becoming quite attractive to customers now, and also customers in the copper belt, which for us is on the African continent is very, very exciting.
Yes. Well, technology at its best, yeah.